What up, what up, what up, what go on, people? You don't know it's your girl Shooks, the queen of recipe. Today, guys, I'll be making some authentic, delicious rice and bean or rice and peas, as we Jamaican would call it. So, as you can see, I am going to soak my peas from overnight. Okay? So, first thing I'm going to do, I'm using 2 cups of peas, 4 cloves of garlic, and some pimento seeds. So in here, I have my 2 cups of red kidney beans and 4 pegs of garlic. So now, or 4 cloves of garlic. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash our peas nicely, okay? Alright, so peas nice and washed. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna beat our garlic. Remember, I'm using 4 cloves. So I'm putting in my pimento seeds, and then I'm going to beat my garlic. So we're gonna put in our garlic, and then we're gonna throw some water, and I'm using just the regular tap water. Good. So I use 3 cups of water. You can use 4 cups because tomorrow morning the peas is gonna suck up a lot of the water, but as you can see, my bowl is full. We're gonna cover this down now, and we're gonna leave it overnight to soak, and this is gonna give you a great result in cooking your rice and peas. So see you tomorrow. So here we have our peas that we have soaking overnight. See, some of the water dried out. So I have a pot with some water, and I'm going to use 3 cups of our soaked peas. So I'm just gonna cover this down and allow this to cook halfway until it's tender and nice before we add our seasoning and our rice. Doing a little check up on the peas. They're not ready as yet. As you can see, we want them to be nice and tender. That, see, it's still a little bit hard, but it's coming there. It's coming. Give it another 10 minutes. Okay, so our peas is nice and tender and ready. So now we're gonna season our pot. I have an onion, some a hot pepper, a green hot pepper. I have some fresh thyme and some ginger. So I'm gonna add that. Also, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and onion powder. So it's garlic powder and onion powder mix. So my garlic powder and onion powder. I'm also going to add half tablespoon of paprika, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine, one tin of coconut milk, a little bit of water to wash out the tin, and now we're gonna add half tablespoon of salt. So just half tablespoon of salt. We're just gonna cover this down and allow it to come to a boil, and then we're gonna add our rice. Okay, so here I have 3 cups of brown or parboiled rice, and I wash it already. Make sure you wash your rice nicely until the water is cleared. So I'm just gonna add my parboiled rice to my peas. Okay, my peeps, so I added the rice. I think I said 3 cups. I'm very sorry. I have 4 cups of parboiled rice. Yes, 4 cups that I added to my peas. And now we're just gonna allow this to cook on medium low. Make sure you have your stove right now at medium low. You want to make sure you cook your rice and peas in a nice thick pot. Get a Dutch pot. Please use a Dutch pot or a nice thick pot to cook your rice and peas, okay? So now we're gonna cover this down and allow it to cook. The amount of water, you need like an inch and a half of water above your rice, okay? Yes. All right, so another little trick that you can do, you can use a spoon and you can measure it and see, and your spoon should be standing in the middle of your rice. This is a little trick that I learned, okay? That's when I know the water is good. All right, medium low heat. We're gonna leave this to cook and we'll come back and see what's happening. Okay, my beautiful people, so our rice and peas is almost ready. Yes, you just need to dry down just a little bit more. So at this point I have it on low, and you want to keep it on low for it to dry down. See how nice and shelly this is looking? Yes, just need to dry out a little bit more, and then we are done. Our rice and peas, the scent, the aroma, the taste, everything is fantastic. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. I appreciate all my subscribers, all my viewers. I really appreciate you. Thank you for supporting my channel. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Okay, here it is, guys. Our rice and peas is ready. Beautiful, looking lovely. Look at that. Oh my, oh my, oh my. It is absolutely amazing. Must try, guys. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, God bless you all.